Hello aspirants, welcome to Vishwam IAS Academy. History Class 6th Ncert Chapter 7th ആണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. New questions and ideas. Buddhism, Buddha's life. Siddhartha, also known as Gautama, the founder of Buddhism, was born about 2500 years ago. The Buddha belonged to a small Gana known as the Sakya Gana and was a Kshatriya. When he was a young man, he left the comforts of his home in search of knowledge. He wandered for several years, meeting and holding discussions with other thinkers. He finally decided to find his own path to realization and meditated for days on end under People Tree at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, where he attained enlightenment. So, the important points എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഫൗണ്ടർ ഓഫ് ബുദ്ധിസം ആരാണ്? ഗൗതമ, that is Siddhartha, born about 2500 years ago, and the small Gana known as Sakya Gana and was a Kshatriya. And the tree name, People Tree at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, where he attained enlightenment. After that, he was known as the Buddha or the Wise One. He then went to Sarnath near Varanasi, where he taught for the first time. He spent the rest of his life traveling on foot, going from one place to place, teaching people till he passed away at Kushinara. Next is Buddha's teachings. The Buddha taught that life is full of suffering and unhappiness. This is caused because we have cravings and desires, that is, which often cannot be fulfilled. Sometimes even if we get that is, even if we get what we want, we are not satisfied and want even more or want other things. The Buddha described this as the thirst or tanha. So, he described as tanha. He taught that this constant craving could be removed by the following moderation in everything. He also taught people to be kind and to respect the lives of others, including animals. He believed that the results of our actions, that is called karma, whether good or bad, affect us both in this life and the next. The Buddha taught in the language of the ordinary people and Prakrit so that everybody could understand his image or message. Upanishad literally means approaching and sitting near, and the text contains conversations between teachers and students. Often, ideas were presented through symbol dialogues. Most Upanishadic thinkers were men, especially Brahmins and Rajas. Around the time that the Buddha was preaching, and perhaps a little earlier, other thinkers also tried to find answers to difficult questions. Some of them wanted to know about life after death. Others wanted to know why sacrifices should be performed. Many of these thinkers felt that there was something permanent in the universe that would last even after death. They describe this as the Atman or the individual soul and the Brahman or the universal soul. They believed that ultimately both the Atman and Brahman were one. Many of their ideas were recorded in Upanishads. These were parts of the later Vedic text. Jainism. We will take Jainism in the next video, since we covered Buddhism in one video. Thank you.